You guys know what the race is all about, okay?
Yes, it's the same as last time, and we're doing it again because
I fell off a mountain.
This person here went off that cliff over there.
Yeah?
I caught into a branch.
Well, good job. Now you didn't die. Okay. On your marks, get set, go. Are they retarded? Can't. Mr. Tinkleman wins because the other person cut the course. Wait, we're gonna have to restart because both of you cut the course. Okay, back up on the starting line. Back on the starting line.
Where are we running around?
We have to go around. We go down this cliff right here and around the berm. And you go back down.
You have to go.
And across the whoops, oh, there's a random person videotape. Then you go down there.
Turn right.
And then as soon as you reach those bushes right there, you turn. And then you go back up the hill.
No, we're going through that part.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Oh.
Geez, don't you know?
Looks like you're pointing over there.
Well,
You started up on that hill.
I had my finger by the camera so that I could show the people that are going to watch it where they know where they're going.
Yeah, that's wonderful.
Get
Let's
back
go.
over here.
Get over here.
Okay. On your marks, get set, go! Hey, that's our random guy again.
Huh?
Exactly.
Are you talking with me?
No. Mr. Tinkleman's in the lead.
Tinkleman's fun.
That's not nice. You're not allowed to say that on live TV.
Not live.
Mr. Tinkleman's in the lead. Hey, there's a random tripod with camera on. Oh, there's a random guy again. And Mr. Tinkleman wins.
Yeah.
And there's the loser back there.
Shut your face.
That's
Loser.
rude.
Winner! Hey, that's not nice. Bad. Bad, 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 bad. You're not allowed to do that. No. Good job. We can take you off the show, you know. You're not allowed to hit people. It's very rude.
Eat my shorts.
Ew.
Well, that's not nice.
Okay,
Bad.
Art.
Stop.
Oh, I got it.
You lose.
Okay, that's enough.
Goodbye, kitty. Goodbye, kitty. Whoa, no, whoa. Whoa, no, whoa. Goodbye, kitty. Goodbye, kitty. Whoa, no, whoa.